Hello guys, and you are watching Tech Sprints. So today we will write the first code line of JavaScript. So here you can see we have an alert function, which generally what it does is pops up a message box whatever we write in that inverted quotes. So here I wrote hello world first and then hi John. So it came up on the pop-up box and it disappeared as soon as I clicked OK button. So now what we can just start with some difficulties. So I just assumed a variable I as amazing and then made it equals in a if condition and mentioned that if it is equals to I, then it should give it a pop-up box. So here I did it as equals to amazing and wrote if it's amazing then write it as JavaScript is fun. Now you would see I wrote it as not amazing, and hereafter it would not show any pop-up box. Thank you.